Hello everyone, my name is Bianca. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, then welcome back.
It's me, Bianca. Huh?
So today I am going to be filming a really fun orange and teal kind of look because I did receive, this is the new Morphe Hueohoric Rush Blush, 3-in-1 Silk Blush. It has like a beautiful orange shade. So I kind of wanted to do a really fun look. I am going to do my eyes first. So this part, I'm not really going to talk through it. I'm just going to do it with some background music. And then I'll talk you through and do the application of the blush and let you know my thoughts on this. But yeah, just go ahead and sit back, enjoy, grab a snack, and let's do our makeup. Okay, y'all, so this is the eye look. I think it came out so cute and is actually surprisingly so freaking easy. So I'm gonna hop off camera, do the other eye, and then we'll come back to do the face. Okay. It's time to wipe off all of this fallout. And then I'm also gonna like swoop up to sharpen this up. Okay, God, it's so fucking hot in here. Time for foundation. Okay, I'm gonna try a newbie. Well, this is new to me. I got this in my Ipsy Boxy Charm last month. Well, not this month because I skipped a month. Oh geez. Oh God. This is the Oui Cherie base primer. It's kind of like the e.l.f. Power Grip. Putting that all in the T-zone. It's like squirting out. Squirting. Inappropriate, inappropriate, inappropriate. I need to look to see what I'm doing. It's red, but it's not gonna like stay red. I thought that this was like a power gripping one. It feels like super, doesn't feel as sticky, but maybe I need to just like rub it in more. And I have some lovely breakouts. I tried a new product and I think that it broke me out, so I'm gonna return it. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry. It's not sticky. I don't know. What does it say on it? Gripping primer, yeah. Maybe I just need to let it dry a little bit more, but in the meantime, I'm going in with the Freshie Pore Filler by e.l.f. And I'm just gonna put that also in the T-zone. Swear your skin changes, boo-boo. There goes that. Love it when I drop shit all over. Okay. I used to not be a primer girly, but I swear to God, since I've been doing Like, since I've added these primers, they literally make such a difference and like stay all night. I went to Austin recently and it's humid as hell there. My friend and I went out till like 2 in the morning. Girl, our makeup was like perfection still on. And we were talking about how like much the makeup game has improved so much that when we used to go out in Austin in 2015, by the end of the night we'd be like dripping and our makeup would just be like disgusting. But now, bitch, we were like, what? So much fun. Okay, and because I have breakouts, I'm gonna take the Ciate. This is a under eye brightener, but because it's kind of like a nudie shade, I use it as a like corrector. And I just take a little bit and I just go over my breakouts because like my foundation is going to cover this anyway, so. And the key to doing this, to pre-conceal, is to just dab it on and don't touch it. Like, you're supposed to leave it there and not blend it in, you know? You know? If you didn't, not your deal. For foundation, I'm gonna mix these two. BB Pure, this is a BB cream, and then this is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. So this is a little light, this is a little dark. I'm just gonna mix them, probably get the perfect match. And I'm honestly just gonna squirt them on my brush. Patting and tapping all over. See, it's a little dark. I need to add more of this color. There we go. Wow, that didn't do shit. Look at that. Oh my god, how annoying. I hate when it happens. Probably because this is not a high coverage foundation. I don't know if it got it, but basically I'm using Pink Lips. The brand is called Pink Lips, and I'm using their contour wand in the shade Cappuccino. And I'm not putting any on my forehead because I am gonna wear a hat. Honestly, find using your fingers to blend out your nose contour is freaking the easiest thing. I swear, try it, get back to me. Perfect. Okay. Too close to the... Now concealer. Move. Elf Camo Concealer. T-zone. A tip for you, if you're having a hard time getting the maximum coverage out of your concealer, let it sit for a little bit underneath your eyes and then blend it out. And then if you also don't want like mega creases in your under eye, don't put as much there, like underneath. Blend under all here first and then go in and blend. Like, don't put as much like right underneath because it's just gonna get caked up, you know? With blending, make sure everything is seamless. Another step for lasting power is going in with a makeup misting spray and setting spray. In between your steps, this is by e.l.f. This stuff is bomb. This shit really will make your makeup stay. I promise you. I promise you. If you don't want to wait for it to dry, just get a fan. Go over where we just put the contour. I'm going to bronze with the Makeup Revolution, kind of like a glowy bronzer. Unfortunately, it did like snap and break everywhere, which is hella annoying. Then go back in with your sponge. go over the edges, make sure everything is blended. Nose contour, I'm going with my favorite brush all time. This is by Mange Angled Eyeshadow Brush number 14. But let me tell you how perfect it is for contouring the nose. Mira, oh wow, that's way too much. Better watch. Watch, 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 watch. And like I said, I just blend it out with my finger. Look how easy that is. Oh my god, this brush is everything for nose contour. And I even have a bump right here on my nose, and it literally, it doesn't matter. It like is so perfect. Going in with the Milk, whoopsie, NYX pen. Forget what pen this is. Multi-stick correction pen in Milk. And I'm just making a little line down the center of my nose to highlight it. And let me blend this. There, it's a little bit better. Cute. Okay, now let's do blush. Star of the show. This is in the shade Addicted. So excited to try her. Ooh, love the packaging. I love like this. Look how that looks. Oh my god, that's nice. 3-in-1 silk blush. Oh shit. It's a dewy formula. Damn. Okay, well actually I haven't set yet. What am I'm tripping. I'm like, wait, look, but I have not set yet. They did send me these little cushion blenders as well. These are called the Morphe Cloud Cushions Mini Puff Trio, and they're great for cream, powder, and formula. Okay, so how cute are these? All right, let's try it. So I'm just gonna go in like that. Ooh, okay. Oh my god, that color is gorgeous. Bitch, oh my god. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And oh my god, I love, this is like truly one of my favorite formulas. I have the Danessa, just like this Danessa Myricks Dew Wet Balm. What's so great about these formulas is like, they look so beautiful on the skin, first off. Like with makeup, and also the best part without makeup. If you want to go like with one of those no makeup looks, this is the type of perfect blush to do it, because you're still gonna look so radiant and dewy. I'm so glad I didn't set yet. Oh my god, look how beautiful that is. It just makes your skin look so healthy. Okay, I'm gonna have to get like all the colors now. Gorgeous. And look how cute with my makeup, but also just like on my skin tone. What a beautiful shade. I put a little bit on my chin too, and these are so cute. Hell yes. Oh my god. Hell yeah. DJ, bring that back. When I move, you move. Just like that, when I move you. That song is stuck on my head, boo-boo. Bitch. Cute. Okay, now let's set. Okay, to set, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. Center of my face and down my nose, around my mouth, and then under my cheekbones, just like that. And then I do want to dust a little bit of this underneath as well, kind of all over. Oh my god, I love that dewiness. That looks so good. I don't even know if I want to set that, like truly. That is so freaking beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna go back over everything, make sure it all looks seamless and beautiful. I'm back in with that setting spray. So I'm gonna finish up the eyes, and I'm just going to do like a little line like this again and kind of buff it out just right here on this edge and blend that so it's not super harsh. A little bit of this cream shade in there too, and like help blend that. Cute. And I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just going to put that right here to brighten. Do you see how that's brightening? How cute is that? I saw Makeup by Mario said he did this. He took like a peach pink eyeshadow just to like brighten this little inner corner. I'm like, wow, what a difference, Mita. Yeah. Last thing, I'm going to add some black jewels, I think, like around, and then I'm going to do my lip. Taking Morphe Sweet Tea. Okay. Okay, y'all, this is the finished. I absolutely love how it came out. I think it's so cute, so bronzy, so orangey, so fun. I highly recommend this product. I am going to pick up the rest of the shades for sure. I love this balmy texture. It's so beautiful on. It literally is just like, looks like beautiful skin, youthful skin. And I absolutely love these little sponges for applications. This is too good. I really love this together, especially. I can't wait to try this on no makeup days. Oh, I kind of wanted to do freckles. Shit. Let me double check to see if I want to do freckies. I am kind of just loving it like this. It is glowing. It looks so healthy and good, y'all. And like the thing is, I know that it's not going to go anywhere because I sprayed that setting spray so many times. So I don't know. What do y'all think? Added some freckles because, you know, I just had to. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And if you enjoyed this, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next video. Adios.